I'm sure you've heard the news. Victorian interiors are making a comeback. But we're not talking about stuffy parlours and too many doilies. This time, it's all about bold personality, sustainability, and mixing old with new. Homeowners are falling in love with Victorian design for its rich colours, ornate details, and the way it celebrates individuality. But here's the twist. Today's look blends vintage finds, think antique mirrors, velvet pillows, and intricate wallpaper, with sleek modern pieces and even hidden smart tech. Sustainability? Absolutely. Reclaimed wood, eco-friendly fabrics, and upcycled treasures give you all the opulence with none of the guilt. It's not about copying the past, but taking inspiration from it, layering textures, playing with colour, and curating spaces that tell your story. So whether you thrift, DIY, or just add a bold chandelier, embrace the Victorian revival. Your home, your style, your story, Victorian elegance, reimagined for 2025.